Good evening and thanks for joining us for News 8 now at 6. I'm Amy Dupont. Mike is off tonight. Masks are no longer required on public transit. A federal judge on Monday rejected the latest extension of the mask mandate. News 8 Now's Duas Rar spoke to health officials about how the updated policy will impact cases of COVID-19.
Amy, last week, federal officials extended the CDC's mask mandate on public transportation to May 3rd. That mandate was struck down last night by a federal judge in Florida. Health officials say because of the nature of COVID-19, people can expect mandates and signs to change frequently. It's been over 1 year since public transportation has been following the CDC's mask mandate orders.
We've been under that same guidance until this morning, or actually say late last night.
The mandate required face coverings for buses, airports, subways, and other forms of public transit. Last night, a U.S. district judge in Florida struck down the requirement.
So as of this morning, the MT was following its guidance from the TSA.
Health officials say people can expect to see policies change as COVID continues.
The science of this pandemic will continue to unfold probably over the next 100 years.
Uncertainty around the pandemic remains, especially as COVID-19 numbers have increased once again.
There's certain areas of the country that are hitting towards the red color.
Director of Clinical Operations at Gunderson Health System, Bridget Pfaff, says masks have been shown to prevent the spread of disease.
Masks are certainly effective at containing viral particles from people.
Despite the Biden administration's effort to encourage people to wear masks in public settings, President Biden says the choice is up to the people.
President, should people continue to wear masks on planes?
That's up to them.
Masks will be optional for everyone, including workers on public transportation.
Some of that is just repetitive nature, and some people just prefer to wear masks, and that's why we left the option there.
Pfaff says everyone should continue to practice other COVID-19 mitigation protocols, such as social distancing, staying home while sick, and avoiding touching your eyes and mouth in public.
Do I need a mask on to remind me to do that? Each individual is going to make their own choice at this point.
And while COVID guidelines are ever changing, there's one thing health officials say you should be doing no matter what.
Wash your hands, and then wash them some more.
While cases of COVID-19 are on the rise in Wisconsin, Gunderson Health System says they are looking at community transmission rates and community spread rates of COVID-19 in La Crosse County.
All right, thank you, Dua. And the Biden administration says they will appeal this ruling, but only if the CDC plans to extend the mandate.